Hey guys! Today we are doing a tutorial, Viral Montagem Guerriro Edit on Inshot. Let's go to the tutorial. First add the clips. And add beats. Look for the good part. Cut the excess clip and delete. Add speed graphs. Copy my graphs. Adjust the graph until the clip is only 45%. Add zoom like me. Duplicate and reverse. Change the in speed graph to dot out speed graph like me. Zoom out at the end of second clip. Add graphs like me. Add the second clip. Add speed graph to second clip. Just like earlier. Adjust the graph until it is 45%. For second one, add keyframe dotted end without zooming, and zoom at first. Duplicate and reverse it. Make graphs like me dot and don't forget adjust until it's okay beat okay. Make the video zoom at the end. And add graph. Add third clip that need to be looped. Add my graph and adjust until it's on beat. Add keyframe at first and dot zoom at the end. Duplicate it and reverse. Zoom out at end. Make the saturation 0 in second dot 1. Now duplicate the first and dot move it to third. And duplicate second and move to last. Add this graph. Now make all slowed ones dot smooth with the smooth option. Now you can add shake optional. If you have Pro, you can add .shake in the beat section. If you don't have Pro, add .shake in the shake section. Export the video. The video is too long, so the effects tutorial will be in part 2.